Yes! Thank you. Yes! Yes!
Thank you.
Thank you. Yes! Good job! You hear Granddad? Yes! L. Yes. Yes! Yes! Okay. S for shoemaker. Yeah. Close. 3. Yes!
Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome, honey. G. G. Yes. Where do you want the G? Right there? Okay. Yes!
Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, did I put it in the wrong place?
Okay.
Okay. Yes! C for
Coco.
Yes! C for Coco! Yay! You miss your Coco?
Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome, honey. Yes!
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hello!
Yes, W! And M! Very good! M for Marshall.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. Let me see. Oh, D! For dog.
Scott.
Yes.
B.
No?
A.
Yes! Yes! Good job!
Thank you.
Thank you. It is a 6. Well, upside down 6 is a... Okay, there you go. Now it's a 6. Say it was a 9.
Oh!
Yes!
Q.
Very good!
K.
Almost. Not a K, it's a J!
K.
Yes!
P. P.
Yes! Good job, honey.
Thank you, Mama.
Thank you, honey. Yes!
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh. Oh. It's that. What's that? No. It's active.
You can put X wherever you want it.
It's active.
Okay.
Hey, Mama.
Hey, Jimmy.
I.
Yes!
Thank you, Mama.
Thank you, honey.
Bye.
Almost.
Bye.
Look at it again.
Bye. Go.
Okay, 4. Is that 4?
4.
Yes!
1.
You can put it wherever you want it, honey. You can put it next to the 3 and the 5.
Okay, it's 5. Bye.
Yes.
You want a bye, dear?
Okay.
Okay. 5. Run. Run.
3.
3. Yes. Oh.
Yes.
2.
Yes.
3.
Yes. Oh, yes, 7.
3.
Yes.
6.
Those numbers are tricky, aren't they? That's an 8.
8. 2.
Yes! How old are you? Say 2.
2.
Yes.
5.
Mhm.
3.
Yes.
Hey, good.
Thanks.
Okay.
I'll put it next to this 2. Is that all of them? You did all of them? Yay! Huh? You do all of them? You think you did? Let's look. Yeah. Wait. Nope. I think you're. Yeah, that's no. Why is this
Please.
Yes! You did them all! So yay!
Yay.
Give me 5.
Where's it go?
Huh? Wherever you want it to, honey. You want to play cards?
Okay.
Okay.
Oh.